Hello everyone, welcome to our acupuncture and moxibustion class in Shanxi University of TCM. Last time, we have learned the cyclical flowing of the stomach meridian. Now, we will study the acupoints of stomach meridian of foot Yang Ming. There are 45 acupoints on each side, 19 acupoints in number on both sides. Stomach meridian starts from Cheng Qi, followed by points located on the head, face, chest, abdomen, and the anterior lateral side of the lower limbs. The last point is Li Dui, stomach 45. Four commonly used acupoints are selected and introduced in this lecture. Now, let's study the first acupoint, stomach 25. The Chinese name is Tianshu. First, we can look at the location of the acupoint. Tianshu acupoint is located on the center of the abdomen and to turn lateral to anterior midline. Next, we can look at the indications of the acupoint. As a frontal acupoint of large intestine, it is always be used to treat abdominal distension, borborygmus, pain around umbilicus, constipation, diarrhea, dysentery, etc. It also can be used to treat irregular menstruation, mass and gathering in the abdomen. The needle method of the acupoint is puncture it perpendicularly and insert the Fenglong needle about 1 to 1.5 turn. Okay, let's study the next acupoint, stomach 36. The Chinese name is Zusanli. First, we can look at the located on the lateral side of the trunk, 3 turn below Dubi, stomach 35, 1 middle finger breadth from the anterior crest of the tibia. We can use the method of 4-finger measurement to locate 3 turn. Next, we can look at the indications of the acupoint. Zusanli is a main point for digestive system diseases such as stomach ache, vomiting, dysphagia, abdominal distension, emaciation due to general deficiency, poor appetite, lassitude, dizziness with moxibustion. This acupoint also can be used for some mental problems such as insomnia, depressive psychosis, and manic psychosis. It always combines with other acupoints on this meridian to treat breast abscess, swelling and pain of the knee joint, paralysis and pain of the lower limbs. Besides those functions, Zusanli is a main point to build up for our body. People always use it to keep healthy with moxibustion. We always puncture it perpendicularly and insert the Fenglong needles into the acupoint about 1 to 2 turn deep to treat diseases. Or we can use moxa stick or apply moxa coins on the point to strong our body. The third acupoint we will introduce, stomach 40. The Chinese name is Fenglong. First, we can look at the location of the acupoint. Fenglong is located on the lateral side of the trunk, 8 turn above the tip of the external malleolus, lateral to the Tianshu, stomach 38, and 2-finger breadth. The finger is mid finger, from the anterior crest of the tibia. Next, we can look at the indications of the acupoint. Fenglong is a main point for phlegm accumulated in the body, We always use it to treat cough, excessive phlegm, asthma, and some mental problems due to excessive sputum such as dizziness, manic psychosis, epilepsy, etc. It also can be combined with other acupoints on this meridian to treat meridian problems, such as paralysis or weakness of the lower extremities. Needle method of this acupoint is puncture it perpendicularly and insert it about 1 to 1.5 turn. After we have learned stomach 40, now we can study the acupoint stomach 44. The Chinese name is Neiting. First, we can look at the location of the acupoint. Neiting is located on the dorsum of the foot, in the red and white part posterior to the bladder of toe webs, proximal to the web margin, between the second and third toes. Next, we can look at the indications of the acupoint. As an in-spring point, Neiting acupoint has a good function of clearing stomach fire. We always use it to treat toothache, sore throat, epistaxis, abdominal distension, gastric pain. It also can be used to treat local problems, such as swelling and pain on the dorsum of the foot. We can puncture it perpendicularly or obliquely and insert the filiform needle about 0.5 to 0.8 turn. Okay, that's the content for this lecture. See you next time.